Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Now I shortly discuss about Guliakhali Sea Beach, which already I visited. Guliakhali Beach is located at the mouth of the river in Sitakundu Upazila of Chittagong, Bangladesh. It is also known as Muradpur Beach. It is located at a distance of 5 kilometers from Sitakunda Bazar in Sitakunda. It is completely different from other beaches in terms of nature and structure. On one side of the horizon is a pair of water bodies. On the other side is Kera forest. The roots of the Kera tree can be seen around the canal flowing through the Kera forest. This forest has gone much deeper into the sea. Its environment is like swamp forest and mangrove forest. The vast expanse of green carpet across the beach makes it different from the other beaches of Bangladesh. Narrow ditches are bent through the middle of these green fields. The canals fill up with water at high tide. The unique location of the combination of birds, waves, and wind can be seen on this beach. Even if there are not so many waves or roars of the sea, the secluded beach of this secluded environment will catch you in a different way. There is no doubt about it. If you want, you can go around the sea in a fisherman's boat. In this case, you had to bargain to fix the boat. Now the question, how to go there? From Dhaka, Sitakunda can be reached by any bus from Dhaka to Chittagong. Depending on the type of bus, the fare will be 480 to 1250 taka. How to go from Chittagong? Chittagong's Alanka More, Eke Khan More, Kodamtuli More to Sitakunda bus and Maxi are available. Now, how to go Sitakunda to Guliakhali Beach? After going to Sitakunda by bus or rail, you have to go directly from under the bridge of Sitakunda bus stand. From there, you can hire a CNG or auto rickshaw to go to the Guliakhali Beach Dam. It will cost 30 taka as auto rent and 120 to 150 taka if you take the reserve auto. So viewers, travel the Guliakhali Beach and enjoy your holiday. Please subscribe my channel Ghurewari and press the bell button for get more updates. Thanks.